Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in Excel. Pie charts are a great way to visually represent data, making it easier to see how different parts contribute to a whole. Firstly, you need to select the data you want to use for your pie chart. Then go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Under the Charts section, click on the pie chart icon. Your pie chart will appear on the spreadsheet. Now you can customize it to make it more informative and visually appealing. Right-click on your pie chart and pick Add Data Labels. Now we can see numbers in our chart. If we want to make our chart in percentage, again we need to right-click on Pie Chart and select Format Data Labels. In the right side of Excel, this window pops up in which we can choose percentage instead of just numbers. We also can change label position.